welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly subscriptions out there, product reviews, and sometimes some travel and adventure videos, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the support. I appreciate you guys a lot. So with that said, guys, I have an unboxing to do of some products that were sent to me. And this is the box. Look how adorable it is, and it has a kiss sticker on the top. It's so cute. I love it. So this is a company that is called Kiss Naturals. Okay, so once you go into the shop, you'll be able to see all the items that they have. And again, I will leave you guys all the information and all the links, prices on the description box down below. Okay, so this here, guys, so this is going to be, just put on my glasses so I can see better. Okay, so I have no idea what they sent to me yet. I believe that they sent me the Magic Glow Duo, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this and make sure that that is what they sent me. Okay, so look how pretty the box is. So it says in this box, Magic Foam Hydrating Cleanser and Makeup Remover, Hydro Glow Smooth and Even Serum. It's what's inside here. So it says a special package for a special girl. Thank you, Yvette. So I have, okay, so it's vegan, cruelty free, made in USA, hyaluronic acid, paraben free, alcohol free, and plant based. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is what I received. Okay, so what I received, it is the Magic Glow Duo. So let me see if this is the large, or what size is this? 1.7. Okay, so this one, guys, it's $57 for the two products that they sent me, but you can upgrade them to a large for $77. Okay, so the Hydrating Cleanser and Makeup Remover is teamed with our Hydro Glow and Smooth and Even Serum, a two-step skincare routine that will hydrate, eliminate the appearance of scars and wrinkles, and protect your skin. So this it has hyaluronic acid, natural spring water, vitamin E, rose ship oil, a whole bunch of stuff. What are the benefits? Dry skin is caused by loss of water. This will leave your skin feeling smoother and softer. It promotes cell creating, improving longer, so your skin can feel alive more longer. Rosehip oil is full of antioxidants, essential fatty acids. Vitamin E prevents signs of aging. It protects your skin from harmful UV light, reduces damage from the sun and appearance of scars, keeps your skin moisturized and supple. So the Magic Foam, it's a cleanser. It hydrates while removing your makeup. The serum is the perfect combination for a two-step skincare routine. So this is the duo here is to hydrate. It's going to hydrate your skin, it's going to heal your skin, and it's going to protect your skin, guys. So with that said, I will go ahead and I will show you guys the products now. Okay, so this is my first product here. Okay, so it's a pretty big bottle. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. So this is the Magic Foam. I'll show you guys again. I can't wait to try this. My skin's been like, it's been so dry lately, like super dry. Then here we have the serum here. So it's in a dropper based bottle. my god, it smells like watermelon. It smells so good. So this is, just want to see how it feels on the skin. Just a little bit. I only put a little bit. It goes a long way. Gotta keep that in mind. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's not sticky, guys, at all. It feels really nice. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use this tonight. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram because I leave my product reviews there. I update my information there as well, and I post pictures of all the boxes and all product reviews there. My Instagram link is the description box down below as well. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, guys, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.